Hi, I'm Iqbal. Today's video lesson is about the English alphabet. Knowing the English alphabet is very important, so let's learn the letters. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and today you're going to learn them all. So let's go. Listen carefully and repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now, let's go over these very quickly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now let's move on to the next set of letters. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Let's repeat these letters. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And the final set of letters are U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's repeat them again. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. As you can see, for each letter there is a capital letter and a lowercase letter. Capital letters are the big ones and the lowercase letters are the small ones. Now you know the English alphabet. Today we learn the 26 letters of the English alphabet and how to say and write the letters. Thank you for watching. See you later.